Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we are in for a change in Windows 11 apparently. Once again, these are all according to rumors that are coming up. So I'm making a series of videos. Take it with, what you think might be true or not. It does come from a very good source that usually when he gives out rumors, they are happening. So people give pretty good credit to what we're learning right now from Zach Bowen of Windows Central. So Windows 11 is going to get, for those of you that are not there yet, a update this year, of course, that is going to bring you to 22H2. And this is what we call Sun Valley 2. Then we were supposed to get an annual update that was going to continue next year, and 23H2, Sun Valley 3, and so on. Now, apparently, plans are changed. But here's the thing, because a lot of people are like, well, so there's not going to be any more Windows 11 updates. Oh, yes, there will be. Actually, Microsoft has decided there's going to be at least 3 updates a year to Windows 11 next year with 22H2. And the reason why is because now they don't have to wait with Windows 11. They don't have to wait, for a major update like Windows 10 we had in the past. They can add features as we go on with cumulative updates here and there. And this is what they plan to do. And what they are saying is that from Windows 11 21H2, that is the standard version right now, to 22H2, we had a few new features. 22H2 is adding features, but 22H2 next year will have tons of new features added through cumulative updates several times in the year. And what we're hearing in these rumors is that Microsoft wants to kind of, once again, ramp up the number of new features and new things they want to add to Windows all the time. Once again, not listening to what people want. Because what do people want? When we say boring is good, that's what people want. They want a Windows 10. Boring. Nothing new. That's fine. It works. That's all I want. So in Windows 11, apparently 22H2 is going to be a ride of a lot of new features throughout the year next year. So there is going to be updates. Definitely. That mixed in with the fact that we're kind of learning that maybe a new version of Windows is coming. What we are seeing is that Sun Valley 3 next year doesn't exist in the documentation anymore. They call it Sun Valley Next. What does that mean exactly? Well, a lot of the rumors think that that's a new version of Windows, replacing Windows 11. Maybe Windows 12 or whatever name they're going to give it. Once again, all rumors, but solid rumors. And that's kind of interesting. If we enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.